feet cold, hearts too warm. Life keeps changing every form. Slow down the fire in my head. Let the rhythm talk instead. No rush, no race tonight. Just reggae flow and fading light. Some days sweet, some days rough. Trying hard, still not enough. But I smile, let it be. Music keeps reminding me. Slow down the fire in my head. Let the rhythm talk instead. No rush, no race tonight. Just reggae flow and fading light. If tomorrow comes too fast, I'll stay here, forget the past. Bassline low, heartbeat slow. This is all I need to know. Slow down the fire in my head. Let the rhythm talk instead. No rush, no race tonight. Just reggae flow and fading light.
Morning sun, touch my face again. Ocean breeze, wash away the pain. No rush now, take it slow. Let the good vibes start to flow. Foot on the sand, heart feel light. Problems fade in the golden light. Easy day, easy mind. Let the rhythm heal my time. No worries left behind, just reggae vibes. Feeling fine. Simple life, that's all I need. Oh. Blue sky dancing with the sea. Laugh with friends, sound of drums. Feel the peace, here it comes. Foot on the sand, heart feel light. Problems fade in the golden light. Easy day, easy mind. Let the rhythm heal my time. No worries left behind, just reggae vibes. Easy day, easy mind. Let the rhythm heal my time. No worries left behind, just reggae vibes. Feeling fine. heavy sometimes. Close your eyes, breathe in the tide. Yeah. Sun going down, still I smile. Living free, Jamaican style. Easy day, easy mind. Let the rhythm heal my time. No worries left behind, just reggae vibes. Easy day, easy mind. Let the rhythm heal my time. No worries left behind, just reggae vibes. Feeling fine. Oh. Easy day. Easy day. Easy day. Morning comes without a sound.